7-4 we'll talk about classifying polygons. Before we can classify polygons, we have to discuss what a polygon actually is.
A polygon is a closed figure
Formed by segments. An example, we have a triangle, a square, a pentagon. Okay, notice they all have vertices, they all have straight lines, and they are all closed. Now there's different types of polygons, and we name them by the number of sides that they have.
So obviously these are ones that you've seen before. Three-sided is a triangle. A four-sided is
A quadrilateral,
quad meaning four,
lateral meaning sides.
we think about the Pentagon in Washington, D.C. It's five-sided. A hexagon is six. Think about six has an X in it, as does hexagon. A seven-sided is a heptagon. An eight-sided is an octagon.
And just for any generic
N-sided figure, we have an n-gon.
For any n-gon, you can find the number of the sum of the angle measures. So if we add all the angle measures together, they will get to this sum. Of any n-gon, that means n number of sides, we can use this formula. I'm going to write for n sides. A quick way to remember this, if you ever forget about it, think about a triangle. A triangle has 180 degrees. It has three sides, so 180, using our formula, 3 minus 2, 180 times 1 gives us 180 degrees. A regular polygon.
Regular means all the sides and all the angles are congruent.
An example of a regular polygon is a square
where if this side is 2,
all other sides are 2 as well, and you have 4 right angles. All the sides are equal, all the angles are congruent. If you're looking at a regular triangle, one that we've seen before, if we want to make it a regular, each of these angles must be 60 degrees. Notice the notation I used. One stroke. Okay, that denotes it. All of these angles are congruent to each other. And that means that each of these sides, if this side was 3, the other sides would also have to be 3 as well. So if you're finding the angle measures in each regular polygon, that means that all the angles and sides are we have to first find out how many sides it has.
this one has 5. It's a pentagon. So for 5 sides, using our formula from
above.
we say
180 times the quantity n minus 2. And since we have
5 sides, it's 5 minus 2. Still have 180 here. So we have 180 times 3, which is 540 degrees. That tells us the
total If we add all of these angles together, we'll get 540. Since it's a regular, we said that each angle was the same. So we want to do 540 divided by our 5 angles. When we do that, we get 108 degrees for each angle. We're going to do problem number 2 in a similar manner. It has 6 sides. So we're going to use our formula from above, 180 times n minus 2. We have n number of sides. We have 6 sides. So we end up with 180 times 4, which gives us 720. That tells us how many degrees are total in this figure. We have 6 angles that we have to split them between. So if we do 720 divided by 6, we get 120 degrees for each angle. We're just going to quickly go through these definitions. If you just want to Google these on your own, that is quite all right. If you want to follow along with me, it works out the same way. Okay, a trapezoid. A trapezoid is a figure,
A four-sided figure. It has
exactly one pair of parallel sides. Okay, we can say that this side is parallel to this side. Okay. But the most important thing is that it is exactly one pair. A pair is 2, 1, 2. Those are our parallel sides. A parallelogram.
It's another four-sided figure. It has
2 pairs of parallel sides.
That means that the side is parallel to
The side
and this side is parallel to this side.
and this is the notation that we use to show this. A rectangle, a four-sided figure that has 4 right angles. Notice all of these are 4-sided figures.
A rhombus.
Has 4 congruent sides. This side is congruent to this side. This side is congruent to this side. Okay, all 4 sides are the same. A square has 4 congruent sides. So I'm going to write up here. A square is a rhombus because it has 4 congruent sides. And it also has 4 right angles. Okay, so this part also makes it a rectangle. A great visual is page 342. It really shows you how each of these figures relates. They are all quadrilaterals. They all have 4 sides, but they have different relationships between the two. We will do more with page 342 in class. If you have any questions, please check out the linked videos or Google polygons online. Thank you and have a wonderful night.